Let me ask you a quick question. When you first heard about Facebook, Twitter, or even Candy Crush, how many people did you tell? 10, 20, 30, 40? Most people are willing to share things with their friends that they like or things they think are cool. If you're like most people, when you had a great experience with a product or service, you shared it with your friends and family. For number's sake, let's say you just saw a great movie and told 4 people, and those 4 people got excited and shared it with their friends and so on. Next thing you know, because you got excited about it and shared it, those people went to the movie, talked about it, shared it, and now hundreds, maybe even thousands of people went just because you shared it with a few people. Well, you started a wave, but you didn't know how far it went and what effect it had. This is what we call your wave effect. Those 4 people you told quickly became 16 by the second wave, 64 by the third wave, and 256 by the fourth wave. And that's just because you told 4 people. Imagine how big a wave you actually created the last time you got excited about something and shared it. It's crazy how much revenue you brought to these companies. Even though you didn't know it at the time, you created a massive wave that allowed all these companies to profit in the millions and sometimes billions of dollars. This kind of traditional, now viral word-of-mouth marketing has made the owners of companies very rich. But what about you? It's something we really don't think about. Well, it's time to start getting rewarded for sharing the cool, fun, and useful things with your network. We have the wave that benefits you. Be part of CrowdSwim Superwave that will allow you to benefit from the things you do for free. Wouldn't you love to make money just by telling people how they can save money on the fun things they love to do or the useful things they purchase? Not fun money, real money while doing stuff. Well, what are you waiting for? Someone invited you because they thought you deserved this opportunity. The sooner, the better, because the bigger the wave, the more money you make. But you can't win if you're not in. Get started today and we'll show you how to ride the wave.